You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for
Hi loves, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today we're gonna create a simple, effortless looking braided updo. I'm sure everyone can recreate it. So begin by making a parting on the side we like, and then you want to divide all our hair into two equal sections. Then you want to grab one of these sections and begin a simple 3-strand braid, but make sure to braid it to the side that you'll pin it later, like I'm showing here. Also, as you are braiding, make sure to braid loosely and even take out some of the strands. This will give such an effortless looking vibe that now is very trendy. So we want to tie it using a clear elastic and repeat this braid on other side as well. Then we want to grab one of these braids and wrap it around our head. Hide the ends under our braid and pin it in place using bobby pins. I'll suggest you to use bobby pins because bobby pins are securing better our braids in place. And then you want to repeat these steps with the braid left. So we want to hide the ends and pin it in place using bobby pins. Make sure to loosen your braid even more, but at the same time make sure to pin it well in place and use enough bobby pins until you feel your braid secure. If you have too much hair out in front, make sure to bring it back and pin it in place. You can leave the ends out, this will look even prettier. Also use some hairspray if you need, and guys, if you have any accessories, make sure to use them. Pearls, flowers, this will give such a romantic vibe to this braided updo. And we're basically done. I hope that you enjoyed this video so far. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial. But you know, I love you so much and I hope to see you soon in my next hair tutorial. Mwah! Bye!